Guys, merong cover song ulit si Patrick Quiros. Kinanta niya dito yung "Till My Heart Aches Ends." And sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood 'to, kaya i-play na natin 'to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go! Tara, play na natin. Wait lang. So, wait lang, excited ako. Ay, nawala pa. So, ito na.
I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday.
Oh my God. Ang ganda.
And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh so far away.
Wow.
I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within.
Ay, ang galing.
I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight, and if into my dreams would come and touch me once again, I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart exhales.
Wow. Ang galing. Ang ganda talaga ng boses ni Patrick Quiros 'no? Tapos 'pag kumakanta talaga si Patrick Quiros nanggagaling talaga sa heart 'no? Kaya kapag, nagbibitiwan na siya ng lyrics, damang-dama yung kanta, eh, 'no? Damang-dama din nating tayong mga tagapakinig. Sobrang husay na singer. Alright, kung nagustuhan niyo 'to guys, bigyan 'to malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na puwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel, you know? Bye po.